This does not always happen with my hair. This Ayurvedic hair mask changed my hair with only one use, and I am not cutting. The main ingredient in this hair mask is Amla powder, which is a very powerful Ayurvedic herb. It contains high concentration of nutrients like vitamin C and E, which helps provide faster hair regrowth and also improves blood circulation, which in turn stimulates hair growth. It also helps to fight bacterial infections and so on. So what I'm doing is after adding the amla powder in a bowl, I went over it with warm water and I'm adding the water bit by bit while mixing the paste. You're going to mix until you get a smooth paste like this. At this point, you're actually supposed to add more water if that is the only thing you're going to mix your amla with. But I'm going in with a little bit of aloe vera gel, which I already blended. You know, aloe vera is a powerful ingredient to include in your hair mask. It has antimicrobial and antibacterial properties. It is an excellent moisturizer, and when you're making a hair mask like this one, which is a strengthening hair mask, you do need something like aloe vera gel to add a bit of moisture and balance out everything. I also went in with a little bit of honey, which is an amazing hair conditioner and contains a lot of nutrients which are really good for your hair and scalp. And I thoroughly mixed up everything before I went in with this my hair growth oil base, and this contains amla, fenugreek, bringrat, brahmi, ashwagandha, rosemary, fennel, and so on. And the next video I'm going to post should be on this hair growth oil. Okay, so watch out for that video. So I'm going to mix up everything and just make sure it is well combined. My hair is quite dry and we do not want to apply this mask to dry hair. This mask has this petrichor or earthy scent to it and I absolutely love it. I'm done washing my hair and this is what my hair looks like. And I went ahead to add more of the hair growth oil base to the mixture just to make it bigger, so it will be enough to cover my entire hair. Okay, I started applying this hair mask from the roots of my hair down to the ends of my hair, and once I started the application process I realized I shouldn't have added the hair oil base this much because it had a lot of particles. I did the blending myself for the fenugreek, the fennel, and the rosemary, and all those stuffs, and it just had a lot of particles, and it was so hard to get this in, even though I started off with small sections. The next time I'll try out this Amla hair mask, I would try it out with only the amla powder, and I started off applying this mask into the middle of my head because that is my problem section. That particular this my crown section has a lot of issues. Okay, so that was why I decided to apply it from there. Anyways, I went off camera and did most of the application, and this is how I look super crazy. I'm sure I do not have to tell you that this hair mask is messy. You can see for yourself, okay? So I continued the application and I'm being very generous with this hair mask to my hair, to my scalp, everywhere. Like I'm just making sure every part of my hair is coated with this hair mask, okay? Did you know that amla is a powerful inhibitor of 5 alpha reductase, aka DHT blocker? And you know that lower DHT levels means less hair loss and more hair growth. And some studies suggest that the nutrients in amla can help boost melanin production in your hair follicles, and this reverses hair graying. So if you want darker hair without the chemicals and all of that, then you need to add amla to your hair care routine. I got tired and I stopped taking down my twist before applying the hair mask. I just applied it directly with the section like that, and they seemed okay since my sections were not big, they were actually just small sized. Okay, at this point I just liked how my hair felt and how the hair mask sat on my hair. It just had this relaxing feeling. I also love the way it stretched and elongated my hair. I also love the sound that came from massaging and smoothing the paste into my hair.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah.
Once I was done with application, I covered up my hair with a plastic bag, my shower cap, and I also wrapped with a wet cloth before I covered up my heating cap. And I set my alarm for 45 minutes. And this is me after 45 minutes. I let my hair cool down a little bit and then I went to wash my hair. I'm using warm water to wash out this hair marks from my hair. Getting out this marks from my hair was a struggle. I started off without taking out the twist. Then I kept washing and washing and washing, and the particles were just sitting down in my hair. I massaged it, did everything. It was just very, very time consuming and tedious. I'm sure if I had used only the Amla powder, I wouldn't have struggled to get it out of my hair this much because the powder was a very smooth one, and then the my oil base just had a lot of things like I said earlier, rosemary, fennel, and all of those things. And I grinded those ones myself, and the particles were not smooth, so that was where the problem was coming from. And I added a lot of the hair growth oil base to the whole mixture. I took down all the twists and had a mermaid baths off camera. I also washed and then I proceeded to comb all my hair out in small sections to get out the particles. It took a lot of time, okay? So I didn't film that. Now, this is what my hair looks like the next day. This entire process took a day, and the amount of cleaning I had to do after this is was crazy. Okay, so this is my hair without any product whatsoever, and I didn't deep condition. I only rinsed out this, and I just finished combing out the particles from my hair, and my hair feels really, really soft, and I kind of experienced less breakage while I was doing the combing compared to how much breakage and shedding I get. And let me show you guys something. I don't know if you guys can see, my hair looks really, really shiny, and my hands can pass truly, like freely, I mean, without any hindrance. And this is something that, how do I explain? The crown section of my hair has the tightest pores and all of that, so it's usually very hard for me to comb, detangle, or do anything there, and it's usually very, very painful. But I was able to comb the section, like this the crown area, without much pain or anything at all. No matter the amount of products I use, no matter the amount of sleep I use, once I am done with this particular section, it goes back to being tangled and all of that. This does not always happen with my hair. My hair is always it's always very hard for me to like comb or detangle, and my hair tangles a lot, but it feels different this time. Just take a look at how shiny my hair looks, and my god, my hair feels really, really good without any products, and I didn't take condition after this. And oh my god, I'm definitely going to stick with this mask. I'm going to try it out more often, okay? My hair has never felt this good. My hair really feels so good. I'm so happy. My scalp, everything is just on point. Hi guys, this is like 2 days or 3 days after the Amla hair mask, and I just finished making my mini braids. But I need to talk about this hair mask, like tell you guys how exactly my hair feels. My hair feels so good. The amount of shading and breakage I got has reduced visibly, like the difference. And normally I wouldn't, like, if someone posts a video and is like, okay, she used this hair treatment and overnight it did a lot of things for her hair, blah 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 blah, I always think it's clickbait. But I don't know, I'm the one talking about it right now. My hair feels so good. I'm able to comb my hair with little to no pain. And this just feels good. Like, this is like the best my hair has felt in my entire hair journey, when I was relaxed and now that and I'm natural. My hair feels really good. And I don't know if you guys can see. I don't know. I don't know, but this, I don't know. And the only regret I have is that I'm not sure if it was just the Amla Max or the hair oil that the hair oil base I added. But the hair oil base I added had a lot of Ayurvedic herbs, including Amla. So that's the only regret. And my hair feels really good. And this is something I'm definitely going to include in my hair routine. Maybe once a month or twice a month. Like every 2 months, like once every 2 months or so. Okay, because I this really feels good on my hair, so I don't want to misuse it. It was really messy to clean up my house after this hair mask, but honestly, it was worth it. I would choose the cleaning over and over again so I could get this kind of results. I'll definitely be trying this mask. And I don't know, like, if you've used Amla in your hair, let me know if what I'm saying, if you can relate to what I'm saying. But my hair feels really good. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.